systems and project management training program actually.
Okay.
Okay, and so especially this project systems actually is actually the high demand in all the industries actually. And
Mm-hmm.
it's essential for CAPEX and the large scale project management, and with a strong integration with FICO, and SD.
Mm-hmm.
And why this is required is SAP project system is a core SAP module used to plan, execute, monitor, and control the projects.
Mm-hmm.
Because till now, I think you've been doing the regular project management actually, but this is using the SAP project systems, the software, you're going
Yeah.
to manage the projects actually.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so it helps the organization managing the budget, cost, procurement, timelines, and financial settlement of projects in an integrated ERP environment.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how it's going to be managed. So this is a module itself in the project SAP ecosystem where
Mm-hmm.
everything is managed to the tool actually, tool or a software or ERP. So there are a lot of names actually which you can think of it.
Okay.
So you're not going with the regular project management experience actually, but you're going to add this as a one of your skills actually.
Okay.
So majority professionals who are working in the project-driven industries, they're going to take up this course actually. So what are we going to cover in majority is project structuring and WBS design, cost planning and budgeting, networks and activity management, procurement to projects, commitment and actual cost tracking, and CAPEX and OPEX handling, settlement and financial closure, integration with the FICO and and end-to-end real-time project scenarios, and some interview questions and result preparation actually.
Mm-hmm. But I think the curriculum which I saw had a different contents and curriculum.
Uh, can you share your screen? Because I think that's the same thing which I shared, but this is also a little bit of more in the project
No,
systems
no,
and everything. But yeah,
it's on what you call WhatsApp. It's not on my email
yeah, yeah.
or my notes. Because
Let me see if I have that copy also.
yeah, it's in a PDF. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. It can be seen from the website. Maybe you can check from Course Divine. Because the course contents there it does not mention anything about CAPEX or anything. Um, you know,
Can you open that? I mean, I want to share your screen.
no, it's on my website, mobile, on WhatsApp. I don't have
Okay,
WhatsApp
okay.
on my, no, I don't have WhatsApp on my laptop. Not shared with that.
Can you share it with me? I'll tell you my number.
Okay, yeah, tell me.
It's 9885.
Nine
Or you can
double.
share it with Sandhya. Yeah,
She
Sandhya's number,
has,
right?
she has, she already only gave it to me.
Sandhya, can you share me that content actually? Second. I think I should also have.
And there is in this call.
Mhm. Let me see if I. Oh, okay, okay. This one, SAP Activate Project Manager course handout, right?
Yeah, correct. Course handout, right. So it says introduction to SAP and SAP
Yeah,
Activate,
one
and
second.
then
One second. Let me just open that and see if I can open that.
okay.
Mm, I got it.
So you're opening that?
Yeah, I'm just opening it, but I think
Okay.
it's from the WhatsApp. Somehow it just file got open, but I'm not able to. I'm not getting downloaded actually.
Let me see if I can open it on website.
This is share, save. Let me save as.
PPT. Yeah, of course.
Hmm. One second, let's open my mobile phone. Let me
Mm-hmm.
share it to my mail ID and open it here.
Oh, otherwise, you tell me your number. I'll just forward it to you from on your WhatsApp.
Yeah, it's 9885
Hmm?
921
Hmm?
987. Mhm. Yeah, I think I have that file with me from the mail. Okay, I think I got the file. I opened it. I'm opening
Oh,
it.
you got it, huh?
No, actually, well, it was in my mobile actually. I just shared it my. Where do I share? It's just, yeah, let me share it up.
Okay, okay. Let me open this. I remember now. I got that email from Sandhya with.
No worries, I opened it actually. You can see my screen.
Oh, you have opened it. Sorry, I was
Yeah, yeah.
looking at some other screen. Ah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This one.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah. Cool. So I think, see, there are multiple things actually. Say everybody comes with different requirement actually. So we always customize and a lot of those things do actually. So that's all.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this
So.
side, yeah, this is what, yeah. So basically, activate the project manager course actually. Okay. So we are going to cover the Activate methodology, SAP S/4HANA project implementation, agile project management, project planning and scheduling, WBS, scope and resource management. Hmm.
Uh, if you go down, yeah, these are the expanded one. Let me.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Introduction to SAP and SAP Activate, ERP, SAP Overview Revenue, SAP HANA Overview, Activate Methodology Fundamentals, Best Practice Digital Transformation, SAP Activate Methodology, Discover, Prepare Phases, Explore, Realize Phase, Deploy and Run Phases, Project Planning, Agile Project Management, Business Process Management, Project Execution, SAP Implementation, Solution Manager, Cloud ALM, Configuration Transport Management, System Landscape Overview, testing and data migration, unit testing and UAT and data migration, deployment go live, project monitoring, project KPIs. Yeah. So you're going to get Activate project management skills, and you're also going to get the SAP S/4HANA implementation management, Agile and project delivery, project planning, stakeholder management, business model. So we're going to cover HANA, Cloud ARM, Solman, Activate methodology, Microsoft Project, and Jira. Fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So this particular. So if you can just hold on the live projects. No, no. Go down. Go down. Yeah, the live projects
Hmm.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, seeing this, I was sold at this point.
Hmm.
After seeing this course, when I
Yeah.
saw the live projects end-to-end SAP HANA implementation, SAP Activate Greenfield implementation,
Yeah.
so these hands-on practicals with SAP Brownfield migration, and when after talking to you, when you told me about
Yeah.
the details and all, so I then decided to go for this course
Yeah. Yeah.
with you. So I hope we will be working on these practical sessions, which is mentioned in these live projects under live
Yeah.
project.
Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. So end-to-end
And also,
implement.
any specific module you are actually looking for the end-to-end SAP implementation? Because there are multiple modules actually. Anyone
Hmm.
would be interested? I think I asked these discussions. I think, right? That's really audible.
Yeah, we had a discussion. You said it was maybe you said there are multiple, but we
Excuse me.
can
Yeah.
do it for maybe we can take a transformation case, or maybe we can take SD module or
SD would be
whatever.
good actually. SD would be nice actually. SD,
Okay.
we can take a sales and distribution model. Yeah, yeah, fine.
Okay.
Okay. Let's we do that. Sure. Okay, so let's go with this. So we'll go with the as per the same syllabus actually. I'll take an example of the SAP SD end-to-end implementation project along with all other things actually. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Activate methodology implementation, brownfield migration project, and this thing. Okay. So before all these things, what you have to understand is you have to understand the initial thing, which is your
Mm.
SAP introduction, overview, landscape, blah, 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 all these things actually.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll jump to Activate Methodology.
Mm-hmm.
Before Activate Methodology, we'll talk about the Greenfield and the Brownfield implementation. Then I'll tell you about the complete project there, how
Okay.
the implementation done, what is the project is all about, what clients look for, what do we do in each and every stages, what different steps actually which happens on a real time. So
Okay.
what happens, all those things I'll walk through. Then we will jump to the Activate Methodology, all those things actually.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Sure.
initial, what happens is initial 2 to 3 days or 3 to 4 days, it will be all on this module one. Then we will jump accordingly.
Okay. Shrikant, do we have any study material or any PPTs or any PDF which we are going to refer in this particular
Yeah,
training?
absolutely, absolutely. I have PPTs and everything. But the only
Okay.
thing is, see, there is one thing. One is the class is recording, so you can listen to the recording and you can make your own notes. I'll share the PPT. I'll open the PPT. I'll explain everything and I'll give the concept. The way I teach is actually, see, this is how I teach. I'll teach you the what is this concept is all about
Hmm.
and why is this concept is all about, why this concept is used, and with an example actually. Then
Okay.
I'll show the same thing in the practicals also, hands on.
Okay.
That's a way I teach actually. Okay. So in every class, I'll give you some notes actually. So if you're comfortable writing the notes, I'll give you the notes actually
Mm-hmm.
because the class is recorded. So the recording class will give you access and you can listen to the recording whenever you have some time actually.
Okay. There is no proper PPTs created for each modules with topics wise. It's
PPTs are
not.
there. PPTs are there. I'm going
Okay.
to explain the PPTs using the PPTs and everything, but
Okay.
I cannot
Okay.
share the material with them. I'm saying.
Okay. 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 But
Understood?
I
For
can
example.
I can go back to those
You can go
recorded
back to recordings and you can make notes and everything, but
make notes.
ready-made materials, it's like our internal IP. It's my own IP actually. So I prepare all those by doing a lot of research and everything actually. Based on my experience, I prepare all those PPTs actually.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, that's fine.
Okay,
That's fine.
yeah. But only thing is, I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you proper formal presentations and formal documents and everything. Only thing is, I can't share the documents with you. I'll give you the notes actually. If you want, you can write down the notes. I'll give you everything very detailed actually, so that it can be as a reference for you. Whenever you want to refer that, you can always refer. Example, like you got a project, you're implementing, and
Yeah.
yeah, then you can refer your notes and give you everything actually. There. That's it.
Yeah, I'm coming from three perspective.
Okay.
One is considering if after this course I'm not sure right now, but I might go for the project management activate certification from
Okay.
SAP. That
Okay.
is one goal. Second is after completing this, I want to go for job hunting, and I would like to clear the interview,
Okay.
the job interview.
Okay.
As I mentioned you earlier, right, I'm not working right now and I'm looking for a job. But in the meanwhile, I was also trying to career shift from generic to some product.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
and I
Yeah.
think after talking to you, I realized that SAP is what you suggested.
Yeah.
So that is third and second. And the third is um, after, in fact, in case once I will get an opportunity or a job, then how I'm going to perform all the activities as a project manager.
Okay.
So from that perspective, I should be, having knowledge and practical information and experience and skills. So from these three perspective, I am taking this training.
Okay.
Now you are the better expert in this. How we should go for considering all these three perspective to be aligned with.
Okay. See, one thing is coming to the first point when you want to do a job search actually after completing this course, one thing
Hmm.
is you should understand the concepts about this product actually.
Hmm.
What this
Hmm.
product is all about, what does this product contain, what features, functionalities, which the client
Hmm.
is going to be using. For example, somebody might be using SAP
Hmm.
and they
Hmm.
might call you and they might say, hey, we selected you for this job and you have to run this
Hmm.
project.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So what you have to understand the product. First of all, the product features, functionalities, how they're used, okay, how the customer requirements are there, what are the customer requirements, how are you going to configure that is all something you have to understand.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Because see, in SAP world, how it works is there are three level of jobs actually.
Hmm.
One is called SAP end user, one
Yeah.
is called SAP support, and
Yeah.
SAP consultant.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
majority here SAP project manager also will be there, but thing is the project manager sometimes should also play a role of a consultant here.
Yes, correct, correct, correct.
Because
I've
project
seen,
manager is not the person who's going to just need to manage the scrum calls or manage the people actually.
yes, yes,
Because
correct,
that is a
correct.
regular project management. They don't need a people
Ah,
to manage people actually. They don't need a manager to manage the people actually.
correct, correct, correct.
So now in the AI side, everything is gone. So
Mm-hmm.
traditional project management is died actually. It's already died. It's already
Correct,
rest
correct.
in peace actually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You
So
should
you,
have an hands-on on some product. Along with that, if you have a project management experience, that is good. Otherwise, they
yeah,
are looking for an hands-on people now.
yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? So I have
Yeah,
seen all this actually. That's what I'm saying.
yeah, correct.
So that's why. So now, if you learn this course, if you get on a customer call, if you get an interview call, you should be able to tell them, "Hey, I worked on this project, on this product. This is a product I was managing. With this product, I
Hmm.
was able to do the project management, SAP project management, and this is how I used to implement the project. The implementation methodology is this. Within this implementation methodology, this is what blah blah blah.
Hmm.
10, 20 steps
Hmm.
I used to do, and this
Correct.
10, 20 steps also included what the client requirement is."
Yeah,
Then the client requirement is so and so, and we implemented this. This is how I've done the entire project. This is a successful project I've done.
yeah, correct.
That's the
So
way
we
you'll be
are,
able to. Yeah.
yeah, so we are taking SD as an example,
Yeah.
so that if in case I need to tell in with the real-time scenarios, I'll take the SD as a real-time scenario.
Yeah.
For me. And another thing is, I was looking for this. Are we going to do this as for HANA implementation end to end for SD, right?
See, actually, S4 HANA implementation we are supposed to do, but actually, since you mentioned about SD, I think it is actually a different module itself, actually. Yeah. So I don't know how much charge you are paying, how much fees you are paying. I don't know, but this is a completely two different things, actually.
No, no,
SAP.
but in the
Yeah.
project, in the live project options, we have seen those, no? End to end as for HANA
Yeah,
implementation.
yeah,
It is
exactly.
there, no?
Yeah, it is, it is.
That's so we'll be doing it.
No, I see. I
Sorry,
think
I
that's
don't
so.
get, I
Yeah,
don't get
yeah.
you.
No, no, no. Actually, see, normally I charge very high, but I think you got for a good negotiated price is what I saw actually. So, yeah, that's fine. No problem. That's fine.
Okay. No,
Okay.
yeah. So we are doing that, right? I mean,
No, no, we are doing it. We are doing it.
are we cutting down the course because of the fees and all negotiations with the fees and all? Are we
No,
doing
no, no,
that?
no. See, I'm not cutting down the courses and all. Suddenly, I realized that okay, yaar, I should have charged you more actually because I missed actually this part actually because SD is the SD example we are supposed to take. It's the end-to-end project actually. So right, that's a yeah. But that's fine. No problem. We already enrolled and everything is done. So whatever you committed, we'll deliver it to you. That's not a problem.
Okay. No, it's I'm sorry if there is some misunderstanding.
That's
Uh,
fine. That's fine. That's okay. See, at least
Yeah,
this
because
is
when I saw that, because I have seen on lots of job portals, the end-to-end S4 HANA implementation project managers are very much in demand and they are required.
yeah.
So that was one of the reason I wanted to go for this particular course because I want to go for project management and when it mentioned here as end-to-end SAP S4
Yeah,
HANA
yeah,
implementation,
yeah.
then probably yeah, I thought. But
Okay.
I have already seen some videos, so I have
Okay.
pretty good knowledge about it. We can do it little bit fast, but
Yeah.
I haven't done it for SD.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I have not done for from the YouTube, but I have seen some videos. So like the software which are required for SAP implementation, application implementation, and SWPM and kernel export. DB
Mm.
client, SAP host agent. So all those software needs to be downloaded and then needs to be unzipped and from SAP in inst.exe we need to run it and provide the parameters and then uh, connect with SAP logon pad. We need to connect with the SAP application and then with the SID. And once it is
Okay.
up there, and then probably we can will be on the SAP application server.
Okay.
So that is something which I have done. I'm not sure if this is the process or these are the steps to go for the SAP HANA implementation as well, because we need to just understand the software which we need to download from SWPM. We need to
No, 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 no,
select
no, no,
that
no.
from there.
No, no. Actually, there are two things. Actually, one is those are all done by the your SAP admins actually,
Hmm.
and whatever you're saying is all mostly on the admin side.
Hmm.
So they will take care of the installation, upgradation, kernel upgradation, patches, eaches, all those they'll do. They will only give you a client or SAP server for you to manage the work.
Oh, so what does it mean? End-to-end SAP has S4 HANA implementation project is like?
S4 an implementation project is not about the installation, upgradation, patches, and all. It's all about the client requirement actually. What the client wants, how are you
Hmm.
going to design the SAP for the client requirement?
Ah,
So, example, let's say
okay.
you join a company called TCS.
Uh-huh.
So TCS will not hire you for for SAP end-to-end SAP S4 HANA implementation project for you to work within the TCS.
Hmm.
They will hire you for working for a client which they have a client, their client actually.
Yeah, yeah, I will be deployed to some
Client
TCS
actually,
client. Yeah, yeah.
exactly. So example, let's say take example for DMart. Okay,
Okay.
DMart has reached out to TCS saying, hey, a lot of
Ah,
people are saying SAP, SAP, SAP.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
they might
Got
be
it.
using Tally for their financial accounting. It's an
Yeah,
example. Just
yeah,
says
yeah.
Tally is very not supportive actually. So we want to shift to SAP FICO.
Mm-hmm.
Then they approach TCS because TCS is a
Hmm.
consulting company.
Mm-hmm. Correct,
They will
correct.
hire SAP FICO consultant and everything. They'll also hire you as a project manager for a SAP end-to-end S4 implementation project. So you're going to work with the DMART people, DMART team
Yeah.
from the TCS side.
Yeah, that is something, yeah, that I know. But
So there you are going to implement what DMART is asking actually. What DMART business requirement is there, you have to understand the requirement and you have to do the end-to-end implementation for them. So that you have to install the SAP is done by the somebody else actually. But after installing SAP, what are the configurations are required, what are the features and functionalities of the SAP is there, how they are going to useful for them, how they are going to use SAP is what the implementation is all about.
is it the functional people's job to configure that particular
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
module?
Yes,
It
yes,
is going
yes.
to be the functional module
It's a
because,
functional consultant actually. They call it
yeah,
a functional module consultant.
yeah. So I won't be a functional module consultant after taking this PM training, or I
You're not
would
going to
be.
be functional consultant actually, but you are supposed to move to functional consultant shoes actually.
Okay. Okay. So I was thinking like as a project manager, if there is an end-to-end S4 HANA implementation project for SD, suppose like you
Okay.
said, FICO, like let's
Hmm.
take SD.
Okay.
Like, okay, and I've been given as a project manager for this particular implementation. So I will be taking care of the S4 HANA implementation on the from the administration side. And then
No, no,
once
no,
it is
no.
done,
See, SAP implementation is just a hardly how much? It's just a hardly 1 week job.
hmm,
1 week or just an ongoing job. That is like you're supporting as an admin.
hmm,
Yeah, yeah. So if you want
um,
that, I can tell you actually.
no,
There
no.
is a difference
Starting
between
from
the
that,
two.
as a project manager, when you say end to end, so implementation of S4 HANA and then functional configuration as per SD function module, and then handing over to the users. Maybe on a presentation layer, whatever web GUI or Fiori, what they want
But on the
on that
presentation
particular.
layer, web GUI also, they have to do the configuration.
Oh, functional people.
Functional people do their only actually.
Okay.
But you want this one, then we have to do the flip actually. It's not the SAP SD actually. It's going to be only SAP S/4HANA implementation project. Not implement. Yeah, implementation also you can call it. But yeah, then I have to take out SD from there because SD, FICO is all the functional side. End-to-end SAP S/4HANA implementation is what you said is called different.
Okay.
That I can teach you. That is also there. That is also one of the module. It's called SAP Basis actually.
Okay. The basis which you were telling me.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but that is something which we will be working on later on, right? So,
No, no, we are mixing up two things, Puneet. See, one is you're asking, in your mind, you are having all the basis people activities actually. Whatever you're saying,
Mm-hmm.
kernel upgradation, patches upgradation, giving the client to the users,
No,
giving the
no, 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 no,
GUI to
no,
all these
no, no,
people
no.
is all about the basic job.
No, no, no. I'm not saying to do patching and upgradation
Not
or
patching, I'm saying kernel upgradation or even client administration, user administration. Okay, and giving the copy of the GUI to the users to use and handing over to the end users.
hmm.
This is all about the implementation only, SAP S/4HANA implementation. But the thing is, that is completely basic job. And SAP S/4HANA, we are not going to do there
Hmm.
because it's only done by the ECC. HANA is not done here. And what I'm talking about is the functional consultant job. SD person is a functional consultant. When you give the this one GUI to
Okay.
them, they're going to the configuration. See, you get a phone, right? You get a phone, you have to use it for end users.
Hmm.
But how are you going to configure the phone as per requirement is what the functional people do.
Okay. So this project management course is basically what somewhat similar to a functional module consultant.
Not somewhat, 100% it has to be in the functional only. They are not going to hire you. Why would they pay?
Oh.
Why would they need a project manager for managing the clients and user administration, all this?
No, because when you do this SAP implementation, it's a huge multi-million dollar projects,
That's what I'm
and
saying.
there has to
Multi-million
be
dollar
an
implementation is somebody is a functional consultant person, not the administration person.
no, yeah, but I think okay, so my understanding is a little bit different from yours. Might be because the experiences we had in our career,
Hmm.
because of maybe because of that. But okay, okay. So that
So
is,
I'll tell you one clear example. Let's say in a hospital, there is a duty doctor, there is a specialist.
hmm.
What's the difference between a specialist and a duty doctor?
So duty doctor will take care of all these things, and specialist will come for a particular disease or particular
Surgery or
problem
whatever it is.
problem
Yeah,
only. Like maybe
yeah,
anesthesia will be a
yeah,
different doctor, and
yeah.
surgery would
A
be a different doctor.
cardiologist or nephrologist or
Yeah,
neurologist,
they
all
will
these
be a
people they
specialist
come
for
for.
for that
Yeah,
particular one, but
yeah,
a duty doctor or a consulting doctor would be taking care from patient's admission till discharge, and
discharge.
they will call the specialist as per the requirement or as per
Yeah,
the need, as and when it is required.
yeah,
So that is my understanding.
yeah. And that is the same thing you're telling about the SAP also. You're saying I need to install the SAP, I need to take the implementation of the SAP, and I need to get the ready system ready and everything for the users to use it.
Because I have seen and I have been asked from one of these organizations as a project manager
Hmm.
that when we are hiring you as a project manager, we want you to do end-to-end project management from installation to functional to till handed over to end user. So in that
Who is the
case,
end user there?
end user is the user who is going to use the SAP installed version of SD or FICO or whatever module we have installed.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So
But
you wanted that actually?
so that is what the project management they were required.
Yeah,
They were asking for that for project management. So as a project manager, you need to have an organized way of handling the project. That is where project manager comes into the picture. Now, project manager will not only work on the functional part, but then who will take care of the SAP as for HANA implementation on a particular server, right?
okay.
That has to be done, but functional manager will not talk to the administrator to do these things,
Yeah,
right? He will expect that system to be up and running for them so that they
yeah,
can
yeah,
configure later on after
yeah,
that is done. So there has to be a coordination between functional team and the basis team or SAP administrator team, that okay, what all things will be required for SAP administrator to implement that S/4HANA for the functional team,
yeah, yeah,
like hardware software requirement they should know.
yeah, yeah,
That will come from the business from the functional team, but then they will not directly interact with each other. I don't know if sometimes they
yeah,
might,
yeah. Yeah.
Depending upon the organization structure, they might directly interact with each other. But then there has to be a project manager who should coordinate with administrator as well as the functional team. What will the timelines for administrator to implement this S4 HANA on a particular machine, and then by when it will be ready? As administrator would require so many approvals, right? So all those approvals has to be facilitated by project management. Change management has to be created before they can, give hardware, or install in a hardware or any software. So those approvals, those change management has to come from somebody, or somebody
Okay.
has to take care of those into the time schedule. So all the scheduling, all the timelines has to be taken care by some resource. So that is the project manager who will come into the picture.
Okay. Got it. So you're actually wanted both the things. So I think though two things are different actually.
Uh,
So your administration plus functional side is different. So functional side we are talking about SAP SD
ye-
project,
yes.
and HANA implementation is only for the administration perspective.
Hmm.
So a project manager is a combination of both technical and the functional.
Correct, correct. That is my understanding.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that is what we can do. But I think for this course, only one is what I accepted actually, because the other one is combination of both we can do. But I think for the fees, what we agreed is not one, the both actually. So that's all.
Okay.
I
So
can give you both actually. It is there, yeah. But you're absolutely right because both the expectations are there from the project manager, because they
yeah,
need to manage this side, which is the functional side. They also need to manage the technical side also.
correct, correct. As in project manager, he has to handle end to end.
Yeah,
When
yeah,
we say,
understood. Client
yeah,
management is there, internal team is there, and he also has to manage the
correct.
system SAP product also. Then you should have the
Yes.
knowledge on both the things actually, which is technical side as well as the functional side.
Yeah, correct, correct, correct. But so you go as per your understanding, because we haven't discussed this initially.
Yeah.
So whatever your understanding is for this particular course, you go with that. Um, I will see how I'm going to upgrade or update myself for that particular role. Maybe in future I will start with basis training with you after this completion of
Yeah,
this.
what I would suggest, see, anyways, you're taking time, Puneet. Better you take both because I'll teach both actually. So it is best to start with the admin and then go to functional side. It will be very good for you actually. So I
Uh,
don't know what the financial situation, but I would suggest you invest a little bit of money. You can get both the things and you are done. You should need not spend next time also.
See, I agree. I need to understand these technical aspects as well. But since I am already a project manager and this is aligned with my previous experience, if I'll start doing business basis and then I'll go into the market, I don't have any prior experience on basis. Correct. But I was thinking of doing a training and get a job. After that, while working, I can take the basis training and then probably I will upgrade myself. That was my goal.
Okay, if that is the case, then we will only cover the SD only. Whatever we discussed, SAP SD implementation project, we're going to cover. So, but we're not
Okay.
going to touch up on the admin activities actually, your basis and all those things.
Okay, sir. No
Because
worries.
kernel admin, I have to be very clear because see, your expectation is correct as per the market standards.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
as the market also needs you to be familiar with both the things and even manage both the things actually.
correct. Correct.
And I'm ready to teach you because normally not every faculty or teacher outside will teach both the things actually. I'm going to do that. I have that knowledge. I'll give you, and I have current batches also running also for both the things.
Mm-hmm.
So I can do that actually for both the things.
Oh,
Only thing
that would be
is,
great.
yeah, only thing is, I think little bit of more we have to charge for you for that. So then it will be good for you actually.
Okay.
Because don't think of the small investment actually because it's going to be beneficial for you for the overall knowledge perspective.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do this project management course. This one,
Okay.
as per your understanding. Don't mix it with the basis training. Okay. As you
Okay.
said, you didn't know that. And once I will complete this particular training, I will see what all things I would be required for basis. And you said you will be customizing that particular thing. So maybe we can do that from not from the administrative perspective, but from the project management perspective, like how we can do that installation, upgradation, and conversion. That particular module we will start.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. But I'm saying that starting point is that actually. Then only this point comes. But yeah, it's okay. Whichever way you want, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, because starting point is you have to
Hmm.
install, double, all those things knowledge you have to have. Then you come to the functional side. So parallel you can do because let's say example every day 2 hours. So morning you'll have this one, second day you'll have this one. That's why.
Yeah, but it will be too much for me to do the practicals and do understand theory, because there are lots of different processes, different terminologies,
Yeah,
different
yeah, yeah, yeah,
different concepts I
yeah.
have to learn and understand. Although I have some project management experience, but I don't know, SAP specific might be different from the one which I have
Yeah.
earlier. So I will take one by one. Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to stress myself and confuse on both these things.
Yeah, yeah.
But I will find something after this project management work, because then I can complement my previous experience with this SAP project management training, and
Okay.
I'm hoping that I will get something after this. So once I will get, even though if I will not get anything, once I will complete it and once I think I'm good to go for a market, like you mentioned, we will taking SDS and then probably as a project manager for SAP implementation SD, as an SD consultant. If I might get something from there, I will take up and then probably I'll start working with the basis thing.
Sure, no problem.
So do we can go for FICO also, or SD
No, no,
FICO?
FICO, I can't teach in this budget year. FICO
Oh,
is completely a bit of
okay.
tough subject actually. So
Okay. Okay, sir. No
that's it.
worries. Thanks.
See,
Thanks, Steve.
everything is
Yeah, yeah. Commercial
every
is
commercial is
important.
very important. Say, see, that's all.
Correct, correct, correct. ठीक है,
Yeah.
sir.
I can teach you 5 modules. I teach 5 modules.
Okay.
I can teach you SAP, FICO, SD, and there is something called GRC security also, and basis also. I have 5 modules I teach.
Okay. Wow. For how
So
long you've been working on SAP, Srikanth?
10 years, 10 years.
10 years, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you've been teaching also 10 years, or you
No,
have?
teaching is from last 4, 5 years actually.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Before that, you were working as an
Yeah, yeah.
SAP.
Now also I'm working. I work as a consultant actually. I do a freelancing kind of thing. But yeah, now in full time into training actually. At least from last 1.5 year, I'm in full time in training. But till last 2 years, I was running a completely working job.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah.
are in full-time training now. No, no, you're not
Yeah.
working. Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm working in the evening actually. Evening shifts are working for me actually.
Okay.
I do freelancing working for the US customer actually.
Ah,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. Okay. Wow, that's
See,
great.
trainings will not get anything. Yeah. How much is the budget? How much is what? 1 hour
Yeah,
spent.
that's what I was thinking. Like, say, you said
Oh,
working earlier, working, and then now I have fully completely into training. So I thought you might have earned so much you don't need that much
nothing.
of money
Yeah.
now.
People think it's nothing like that. It's
No,
all,
obviously, yeah, yeah, obviously nowadays, so much
see, the
of
market has become so badly that
inflation.
everybody are asking for very less price actually.
Hmm.
Everything. The amount of effort goes into teaching is very bad actually.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Because especially for the experienced people, you should speak from the experience actually. You cannot teach like a faculty or something.
Hmm.
That's all. So,
No,
but
that's
yeah, it's
okay.
only passion. Only thing is, see, we have
No.
some skills. We are
Hmm.
working till now, but at least if we teach the skills to someone else, at least they'll be happy. They will learn something and they will remember us actually.
Absolutely, sir.
It's just a giving
Yeah.
back to society kind of thing. And
Yeah, 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 absolutely. I
when,
mean, it's a great cause and great thinking.
yeah, yeah,
You are doing it on people like you are able to help people like me
yeah,
who are career shifting or coming into this new technologies, and you are helping them understand and giving them information and knowledge so that they
yeah,
can do something in their life. So that is something good.
yeah, yeah. It's all only out of the interest, nothing else.
Yeah, and moreover, you will also get to brush up your skills, your knowledge once you will go for training. So you might implement those in your real-time projects, whatever you are teaching.
Mm.
Sometimes if you are not teaching or you are not into the books, you're only working. So all those previous concepts and some tools and something uh, you don't remember.
See, it's always there with anyone. I mean, see, learning is a journey for everyone. I mean, you have to keep yourself updated. If you're in the IT industry, you have to keep on learning. That's it. There's no success formula.
Yeah,
You learn
correct.
something, you'll stay in the industry, otherwise you're out.
Yeah, I am the most recent example of that.
So you got fired or something, or what happened?
No, so actually I'm 20 years into IT. Okay.
20 years.
Yeah, I'm 50 right now. So I'm transitioning my career from at the age of 50. So
Oh, you are 50 years, Puneet. You did not say.
yeah.
Oh,
So
okay. So how many years
yeah.
of experience do you have? 25 years or 20 years?
Well, it's been 25 now, but I have some gaps
Okay.
during my career. So I would say continuously it's 20 years.
Oh,
So
okay,
I
okay.
started my career as a technical resource. I did my MCSC and in 2000.
Oh, 2000. Okay.
Yeah, when NT 4.0 was there.
Okay.
And after completing MCSC, I got a job of Windows and System Administrator and Network Administrator. So I was working there, and then they had this HP Unix server where
Okay.
they were Oracle was installed on that, and they were doing, it's a manufacturing company,
Okay.
and they were doing all these financials and sales and procurement. All those were on that particular HP Unix.
Okay.
So I got fascinated with that Unix environment.
Okay.
So then I learned Sun Solaris.